for every 3 people on the planet, there's at least 2 tons of plastic waste in the environment. Plastics recycling can be relatively efficient, but the challenge really isn't about efficiency, it's about effectiveness for the reality in which we live every day, where plastics get mixed and they're often dirty, and this is the real issue.
The currach is a traditional boat from Ireland, constructed mainly from wood. When currachs were first built, they were built with entirely organic materials. So in the construction of a currach, I look for locally sourced materials. I look for materials that I can recycle.
So to look about the setup of a small lab, we divide the lab in 2 different places. The first place was to do the dissection, and the second part was like for observation. So we bring all the stomach content or the muscles from the fish to this part, and we are looking at them inside the binocular or the microscope. My first observation was like pretty surprising and very scary actually, because when we went fishing, for example, and when we went diving, you see plastic.
I love fish. I love eating fish. I did love eating fish.
I was aware of the presence of microplastics, and this is what made me interested in this project. I had no idea actually that you would find it inside the flesh of the fish.
When a human will eat this plastic, you will have also this small component that will go into your body.
It's very disturbing news, and it's very important that anyone who eats fish knows this information.
You got 3 basic solutions. Either you pile them up in landfill, you burn them, or you recycle them. Now, if you recycle them, you've got 2 different options. On the one hand, you've got the ability to do physical recycling. On the second hand is that you can do chemical recycling, where you treat the plastics as a chemical ingredient to make new materials. And that's what we do at TrimTabs. We turn it into carbon nanotubes. They're lightweight, high strength materials that conduct electricity.
We didn't reach yet the tipping point. Now we have to change in different levels. You have to do like more like ecological tourism. Maybe people can go scuba diving and in the same time try to clean.
I think the best way we can deal with this problem is through people becoming aware exactly what's going on in our ecosystems. But it has to happen at home first, by good example, and bringing that into the village, and then from there bringing it into the world. It all starts at home.